Hey y'all, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about Hbar. It has been a very scary time, if you were a crypto holder over the last 3 days. And today alone, yes guys, going into Monday morning, today alone we have seen a major drop, and we haven't seen a major drop like this in crypto for quite some time. And again, if you follow my channel on a regular basis, what have I been saying? What have I been telling you guys to keep an eye out on? And everything that we've discussed, really makes sense at this point. And, when I pull out the charts, guys, we look for those confirmations. We look for, things starting to make sense, and everything is making sense right now. And we're going to take a look at what happened with Hbar. But before we get into it, I know there's going to be a lot of negative comments on every update. Whether it's XRP, whether it's Hbar, whether it's Cardano, VeChain, Dogecoin, whatever the case may be right now, comments are going to be negative because the prices are going down. But people need to realize you need to look at the broader market. Is it just Hbar that's down, or is it the broader market? And in this case, it's the entire market that is seeing a major bloodbath, with Hbar's price 22.25 cents, down 21.5% in USD, down 16.5% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap at 8.5 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume has gone literally through the roof at about $1.2 billion. I know a lot of people are going to be like, wow, that's crazy, but we need to understand major, and I repeat, major liquidation has occurred within the crypto space, record high numbers, and I'm going to, talk more into depth about that in my XRP update. So, stay tuned for that. But yeah, it's been a very scary time. We're going to talk about what's happening, what potentially could be next. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So let's start off by taking a look at the dominance index. Of course, it's not a Crypto ZX update. And here we have it, guys. This sums everything up. I want you guys to stop everything. And I repeat, stop everything that you're doing right now and focus on this. What have I been saying? Literally go, pause my video if you want to go look, literally backtrack. I've been talking about the dominance every single update, and what that dominance did today is something extremely scary for altcoin holders. We saw a wick up to 64.4%. Are we about to see this wick fill in? Because it was a wick, but obviously did not last too long. But this is a huge catalyst behind why we're seeing so much red across the market right now. We're seeing 30+% for some coins over the last 24 hours. Yes, you are seeing a little bit of a bounce for the market right now over the last 1 hour, but is it time to be getting excited and jumping around? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Dominance is literally sitting higher than what we saw last year. And what's crazy right now is 64.26% dominance we haven't seen since 2021. Yes, guys, 4 years ago was the last time the dominance has been this high. Now, with that said, here we have it, guys. I'm actually so pumped up right now because I literally predicted this right on the neckline. If you watch my XCN update, if you watch my XRP update that went before a few hours ago, I talked about the, us retesting the 23.6 key support, and I told you guys the high probability of that occurring. And here we have it, guys, right at that neckline. Right at that neckline, the 23.6. People were calling me crazy when I was calling this number, even at the $100,000. People were like, what are you saying? Why are you saying this? And here we have it. We dropped down literally right into that, but we're still remaining within the 23.6 going into Monday morning. But look what happened with Hbar. This is a complete madness. And I know a lot of people are going to be like, Crypto ZX, but why did we go down, below this key support so fast? We need to understand this is not a small drop. Major liquidation, manipulation, of course, as well. But tariffs, guys, tariffs. Huge thing that we shouldn't be ignoring, and tomorrow is going to be very interesting to see if we hear any updates, but there needs to be some sort of a conclusion coming. If not, then I think things could get worse. But here is this major spike, Bitcoin dropping to the likes of these 23.6 zone that we've spoken about, and of course it's going to have an impact on Hbar. It's not an exception. And here we have it. Right now, of course, this wick did not last too long. Of course, people are going to come out and say, we went down to the 78.6 zone, but this did not last too long. If you somehow got lucky around this range, let me know in the comments, because you have seen the price literally go back up 25% right off the bat. But are we out of the woods yet? That's something that I want you guys to keep in mind. Absolutely not. But look where we're sitting at right now, though. If you've been watching my updates, I say if we lose this support and are unable to close above this range, we could actually fall down to this 22 cents. I literally spoke about that yesterday, and we're literally sitting right at that neckline, right at the 78 points. I'm sorry, this is not 61.8 support line, literally right there. So again, sums it up. Everything we've been talking about has ended up happening. The drop was much worse than anticipated because, of course, dominance went up to 64%, which again is going to have a major impact on Hbar's price, and we have seen that happening. But with that said, very important to remain within this range. If not, Bitcoin is still not out of the woods yet. Like I said, tomorrow is going to be very interesting to see how the stock market reacts. If stock market dumps, I think Bitcoin drops lower. I think, based off of what we're looking at with the dominance, it's not showing any signs of excitement right now. We could see a little bit of a flush, and I know a lot of people are going to come out and say, why are we seeing a flush? I literally told you guys yesterday, even in a bull market, you will see major swings before upside. And right now, this could really be the reality. I think we could actually fill this wick in still. I still think that, based on what we're seeing, and if there's negative news regarding the tariffs, I think things could get a little bit more bumpy over the next few days. But again, very important for the price of Hbar to remain within the 61.8 fib zone. I do believe that, Hbar will reclaim back above the 27 cents key resistance quite fast, which of course played as a major level of support for us. But again, one step at a time. You don't want to be ignoring what's happening with Bitcoin. Love each and every one of you guys. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you later. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.